So this hack is courtesy of Tom's Hardware. What you're going to do is you're going to load Rufus on Windows. I've got Windows 10 at the moment, and you're going to change this this option right here. When you load your ISO in, you're going to have a extended Windows 11 installation, and that is no TPM or no secure boot. And also I'm actually running it right now. I'm running this Windows 11 right now on a 2 GB RAM HP Stream 11. So I assume it's a RAM bypass too for the I think it's a 4 GB RAM requirement normally for Windows 11, and it's letting me install with this. So now on the Tom's Hardware site, it had a no RAM on that too, but for some reason I'm not seeing the 8 GB the no 8 GB RAM on it, but apparently it's with it. So this is I'm installing it. I'm actually using Windows 11 Ultra Lite, which is a hacked version of Windows 11, and I wanted something that I could update drivers and stuff like that on. So this was a little bit too limited. I'm about to sell the laptop too, so I wanted it to be a little bit more legit than that. But so that's how you do it. Real simple. Load Rufus. Select extended Windows 11 installation. No TPM, no secure boot. And let that, and actually I did NTFS because that was on Tom's Hardware. It's default by FAT32. It probably doesn't matter, but I just went ahead and changed it to NTFS as well. So so anyway, it's loading great. I had trouble trying to get Windows 11 on here, the full version Pro, and it wasn't letting me do it, and I was trying all kinds of little tweaks and registry edits and changing the setup.exe to the Windows 10 exe setup, and that didn't work. And so I've been kind of working on it all day, and finally got this thing working, and I'm happy as hell about it.